Hello and welcome to Tribe Topper. I'm Sonal Gupta, and this channel is about increasing your understanding of physics. To clear your concepts, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for latest updated videos.
This video session, you are going to learn about the gamma decay. So, when does gamma decay happens or what is gamma decay? We use gamma decay. This is the symbol. So, what happens is actually when a parent nucleus it emits an alpha or a beta particle, the nucleus often is still too hot, or you can say still too energetic. So, it needs to lose some energy in the form of gamma rays and become stable. So, unlike alpha and beta decay, in gamma decay, the nucleus does not change its identity. So, whenever your one nucleus has been obtained, the nucleus doesn't change. There is no change in the identity. It is just a change of energy. So, your nucleus will only move from a higher to a lower nuclear energy level. So, how do we represent it? So, I would say if I have ZXA, but we'll put a star here which indicates that this is a nucleus in the excited state. This is going to give you a not a new nucleus, but the same nucleus ZXA, but now in the ground state after it has emitted energy in the form of gamma radiations. So that is 0, 0. So it doesn't change the atomic number or the mass number. So a gamma ray or a gamma particle is simply a neutral particle, no change in charge, no change in mass for the nucleus. So for example, I have 28 nickel 60 with the star. This is excited state nickel obtained after alpha beta decay, and that simply changes to 28 nickel 60. So there is no change in the nucleus, it's just the star has gone. So this is in the ground state now, plus a gamma ray photon has been released. So that's all for this video session. In the next video session, you are going to learn about or understand the comparison of alpha, beta and gamma rays. Thank you.